In this video, we will learn about departmentation, meaning and importance. Meaning of departmentalization. Departmentation or departmentalization is the process of grouping the activities of an enterprise into several units for the purpose of administration at all levels. The administrative units so created may be designated as departments, divisions, units, branches, sections, etc. Dividing the work naturally means the identification of individual activities which have to be undertaken for the attainment of the organizational objectives. But once the various activities have been identified, it is necessary to group them together on some logical basis so that a team can be organized. Departmentation can provide a necessary degree of specialization of executive activity for efficient performance. It can simplify the tasks of management within a workable span. It also provides a basis on which the top managers can coordinate and control the activities of the departmental units. Now, need for and importance of departmentation. The basic need for departmentation is to make the size of each departmental unit manageable and secure the advantages of specialization. Grouping of activities and consequently of personnel into departments makes it possible to expand an enterprise to any extent. Departmentation is necessary on account of the following reasons. First reason is advantages of specialization. Departmentation enables an enterprise to avail of the benefits of specialization. When every department looks after one major functions, the enterprise is developed and efficiency of operations is increased. Second, feeling of autonomy. Normally, departments are created in the enterprise with certain degree of autonomy and freedom. The manager in charge of a department can take independent decisions within the overall framework of the organization. The feeling of autonomy provides job satisfaction and motivation, which lead to higher efficiency of operations. Third, expansion. One manager can supervise and direct only a few subordinates. Grouping of activities and personnel into departmentation makes it possible for the enterprise to expand and grow. Fourth, fixation of responsibility. Departmentation enables each person to know the specific role he is to play in the total organization. The responsibility for result can be defined more clearly, precisely, and accurately, and an individual can be held accountable for the performance of his responsibility. Fifth, upliftment of managerial skill. Departmentation helps in the development of managerial skill. Development is possible due to two factors. Firstly, the managers focus their attention on some specific problems which provide them effective on the job training. Secondly, managerial need for further training can be identified easily because the manager's role is prescribed and training can provide them opportunity to work better in their area of specialization. Sixth, facility in appraisal. Appraisal of managerial performance becomes easier when specific tasks are assigned to departmental personnel. Managerial performance can be measured when the area of activities are specified and the standards of performance are fixed. Departmentation provides help in both these areas. Seventh, administrative control. Departmentation is a means of dividing the large and complex organization into small administrative units. Grouping of activities and personnel into manageable units facilitates administrative control. Standards of performance for each and every department can be precisely determined. Okay, thank you.